Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Did you know that consuming eggs with certain foods could harm brain cells and increase the risk of dementia? While eggs are often hailed as a superfood for their numerous health benefits, the foods you pair them with and the way you prepare them can make a significant difference. In fact, combining eggs with certain ingredients may unknowingly elevate the risk of cancer and dementia. In today's video, we're going to uncover 3 foods you should never eat with eggs due to their harmful effects and share 3 miraculous foods that not only help prevent dementia but also enhance eye health. The number of people suffering from dementia is rising sharply, affecting not only the middle-aged and elderly but also young adults in their 20s and 30s. This alarming trend is largely influenced by dietary habits. Every food has ideal pairings that can maximize nutrient absorption and harmful combinations that can damage our bodies. Understanding and applying this knowledge to our diets is crucial for our health. Today, we'll delve into the superfood eggs, which are packed with high-quality protein, various minerals, vitamins, and numerous other nutrients. Eggs are celebrated for their versatility and nutritional density, making them a staple in many diets. However, consuming eggs with the wrong foods can have adverse effects, including an increased risk of cancer and dementia. That's why in today's video, we will reveal 3 foods you should avoid eating with eggs to prevent these serious conditions. Additionally, we'll share the 3 best ways to consume eggs. These methods not only prevent cancer and dementia but also enhance your eye health. Firstly, the food you should never eat with eggs is red meat. Many people enjoy dishes like bacon and eggs or steak and eggs, especially for breakfast or brunch. However, combining eggs with red meat can be detrimental to your health. Red meat contains high levels of saturated fats and cholesterol, which can lead to plaque buildup in arteries and increase the risk of heart disease. When consumed together, eggs and red meat can contribute to increased levels of trimethylamine N-oxide, TMAO, a compound that has been linked to a higher risk of cardiovascular disease and cognitive decline. Studies have shown that high levels of TMAO can accelerate the buildup of cholesterol in arterial walls, potentially leading to atherosclerosis, a major risk factor for heart attacks and strokes. For a healthier alternative, consider pairing eggs with lean protein sources like fish or poultry, which are lower in saturated fats and provide beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and can help protect against heart disease. The first best companion for eggs is tomatoes. Eggs and tomatoes make an excellent pairing, especially since the protein in eggs aids in nutrient absorption in our body. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which complement the nutritional profile of eggs. Moreover, when you consume the fiber from tomatoes, along with the calcium in eggs, it activates the parasympathetic nervous system, bringing a sense of calm and easing anxiety and tension. This combination also reduces physical tension, bringing stability to both our body and mind. It's often said that stress is the root of all illnesses, and managing stress through diet can be a crucial step in maintaining overall health. Eating eggs with tomatoes helps relieve stress and fatigue in the body. Additionally, tomatoes contain high levels of lycopene, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin and reducing the risk of certain cancers. The lutein and zeaxanthin carotenoids found in eggs work together with lycopene to provide powerful antioxidant action, protects the retina, and significantly reduces the incidence of degenerative eye diseases like glaucoma and macular degeneration. If your eyes have been feeling blurry or your vision cloudy, incorporating eggs and tomatoes into your diet could be beneficial. Recommended recipes include tomato and egg scramble, tomato egg bake, and shakshuka. These dishes not only taste delicious but also provide a nutritious start to your day. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. Secondly, the food you should never eat with eggs is garlic. While garlic is often celebrated for its numerous health benefits, including its antimicrobial properties and ability to lower blood pressure, combining it with eggs can lead to the formation of harmful compounds. When garlic is cooked at high temperatures, especially with protein-rich foods like eggs, it can produce acrylamides and other carcinogenic substances. These compounds have been linked to an increased risk of cancer, making the combination of eggs and garlic potentially harmful. Additionally, consuming garlic with eggs can interfere with the absorption of the beneficial nutrients found in eggs, such as high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. The sulfur compounds in garlic can react with the proteins in eggs, leading to digestive discomfort and inflammation. This can negate the positive effects that eggs have on your health and exacerbate existing health issues. When eggs are combined with garlic, the potential health benefits of both foods can be compromised. The combination may also result in an unpleasant taste for some people, which can make it less enjoyable to consume these otherwise nutritious foods. Instead of garlic, opt for other flavor-enhancing herbs and spices that do not pose such risks. Fresh herbs like parsley, dill, or basil, as well as mild spices like paprika or turmeric, can be excellent alternatives. These options can enhance the flavor of your eggs while providing additional health benefits without the harmful side effects associated with garlic. By avoiding garlic with your eggs and choosing safer flavorings, you can enjoy the full benefits of eggs while protecting your health. This practice will help reduce the risk of developing cancer and other health complications, ensuring that you get the most out of your nutritious meals. The second best companion for eggs is bitter melon. Bitter melon not only adds a unique flavor but is also nutritionally the best match with eggs. Eggs are called a complete food because they contain many nutrients, including high-quality protein and various vitamins. Bitter melon is rich in vitamins C and A, folate, and fiber. When consumed with eggs, they complement each other perfectly, providing a well-rounded nutrient profile. The antioxidants in bitter melon help combat oxidative stress, which is essential for maintaining healthy cells and preventing chronic diseases. Additionally, bitter melon has been known to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those managing diabetes. The combination of eggs and bitter melon is particularly beneficial for promoting digestive health. Bitter melon stimulates digestion and can help alleviate issues like constipation. Moreover, its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce inflammation in the gut and other parts of the body. Bitter melon contains compounds that support liver health and aid in detoxification. This makes it an excellent addition to a diet focused on overall well-being and longevity. The unique nutrients in bitter melon also help support immune function, providing an additional layer of health benefits when paired with the high-quality protein and vitamins in eggs. Recommended recipes include scrambled eggs with bitter melon and egg stir-fry, and bitter melon omelets. These dishes not only taste delicious but also provide a nutritious start to your day, making the most of the combined benefits of eggs and bitter melon. Lastly, the third worst companion for eggs is potatoes. While potatoes are a popular breakfast item, often enjoyed as hash browns or fries, combining them with eggs can have negative health impacts. When potatoes are cooked at high temperatures, especially when fried, they can produce harmful compounds such as glycoalkaloids. Glycoalkaloids are naturally occurring toxins found in potatoes that can increase in concentration when potatoes are improperly stored or cooked at high temperatures. Consuming potatoes with eggs can also lead to digestive issues, such as constipation, due to the high starch content of potatoes. This can slow down the digestive process and cause discomfort, potentially leading to more serious gastrointestinal problems over time. Additionally, the combination of eggs and potatoes can result in an excessive intake of unhealthy fats, further exacerbating the risk of health issues like obesity and cardiovascular diseases. For a healthier option, consider pairing eggs with fresh vegetables, which add fiber, vitamins, and minerals without the harmful effects associated with potatoes. Vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, and bell peppers are not only nutritious but also add color and flavor to your meals. These vegetables provide essential nutrients and antioxidants that support overall health, making them a far better choice to accompany eggs. By avoiding potatoes and choosing fresh vegetables instead, you can enjoy a nutritious and balanced meal that supports your digestive health and reduces the risk of serious health conditions. Recommended recipes include scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes, bell pepper and egg stir-fry, and vegetable omelets. These dishes not only taste delicious but also provide a healthy start to your day, ensuring you get the most out of your nutritious meal. The third best companion for eggs is none other than onions. While eggs are packed with a variety of nutrients, they lack certain beneficial compounds found in onions, such as quercetin and dietary fiber. Onions are particularly rich in both quercetin and dietary fiber, making them an excellent addition to your egg dishes. Dietary fiber is essential for digestive health as it promotes bowel movements, aids in intestinal function, and helps expel bad cholesterol from the body. This, in turn, helps prevent cardiovascular diseases such as arteriosclerosis, heart disease, and stroke. The soluble fiber in onions can lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive system and removing it from the body. Onions are especially helpful in digesting proteins. Some people experience a heavy feeling in their stomachs and difficulty digesting after eating eggs. In such cases, onions can stimulate the secretion of gastric juices, aiding in digestion and absorption. Additionally, onions are rich in antioxidants, including quercetin, which protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. This protection extends to brain cells, potentially lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Quercetin also has anti-inflammatory properties that support overall health and well-being. Pairing eggs with onions not only enhances the nutritional value of your meal but also improves digestion and supports overall health. Recommended recipes include scrambled eggs with onions, onion and egg omelets, and egg and onion stir-fry. These dishes not only taste delicious but also provide a nutritious start to your day, ensuring you get the most out of your meal. Lastly, how you cook your eggs is just as important as what you pair them with. To maximize the health benefits of eggs, it's crucial to prepare them in ways that preserve their nutrients without compromising safety or adding unhealthy fats. Raw eggs are not recommended due to the risk of foodborne illnesses such as salmonella. Similarly, frying eggs, especially in oils high in saturated or trans fats, is not advisable. Both steaming and boiling are excellent cooking methods, but soft boiling is preferable to hard boiling, as soft-boiled eggs retain more nutrients and are easier to digest. If you prefer fried eggs, consider using oils rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as olive oil or flaxseed oil. These healthier oils not only enhance the flavor of the eggs but also provide additional health benefits. We've explored the 3 worst and best foods to pair with eggs for cancer and dementia prevention. To recap, instead of consuming eggs with processed meats, choose healthier options like pumpkin and cheese for the best nutritional benefits. We hope you use this information to take better care of your health. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe and like, and don't forget to share it with your loved ones. Your health and happiness are always in our thoughts, and we will continue to bring you more valuable and informative health content. Stay healthy and happy, and remember, good nutrition is a key to a better life.